Hello everyone. Today let's see applied research. So what is applied research? Applied research is a type of research that is conducted to solve practical problems and improve human life. Unlike fundamental research, yesterday we have seen what is fundamental or basic research, okay, which aims at creating new knowledge or theories. Applied research uses existing knowledge to find solutions for real world issues. So let's see characteristics of applied research. Practical orientation, focused on real life problems. Yes, immediate usefulness, results are applied directly in society, industry, medicine, education, etc. Third, problem solving approach, seeks solutions or improvements based on theory, uses principles from basic research. Fifth, specific goals, has clear objective and expected outcomes. Examples: developing a vaccine for a new disease like corona pandemic, okay, creating a more efficient irrigation system for farmers, improving teaching methods in schools or colleges, designing eco-friendly packaging, enhancing mobile phone battery life. So these are the characteristics of applied research, okay, and examples of the applied research. Now let's see types of applied research. First, action research, solving immediate problems in a specific setting. Next, evaluation research, that is assessing the effectiveness of programs or policies. And third is research and development, R&D, developing new products, technologies or processes. This is the applied research. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.